Also new for you at noon, SLED agents are charging a man with multiple counts of ill treatment of animals. Douglas McFadden Jr. is facing those charges. Warrants say a search warrant was carried out last Thursday at the McFadden's Lake City home. Agents say they found 4 pit bulls in poor health, all of which were owned by McFadden. Warrants add the pit bulls suffered from various issues, including almost no access to water or shelter, and were used for the purpose of dog fighting. McFadden was arrested September 11th and is now out on a $45,000 bond.